Here we are. The back of the Dragon. Welcome to Marion. Gateway to the back. Park Place Drive-In. It's pretty cool. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is one of my favorite roads. Super, super fun. So we are about 30 miles from the actual store. And says it's going to take us an hour because of how twisty it is. But it's just getting started. It's really fun though, because there are all kinds of switchbacks and just the elevation. But I mean, look at how nice and pretty the road is. It's just, I think far superior to the Tail of the Dragon.
Riding with me today are Melody, Paul, Too Tall, Charlie, and Blair. And we are actually headed up on a big trip, and this was our first stop. It was just to make sure that we had a chance to ride some beautiful mountain roads.
Just look at how beautiful Hungry Mother Lake is. It's pretty. People are fishing.
The back of the Dragon runs from Marion, North Carolina, up 16 north to Tazewell. It's a great road.
All right, the signs are now 25 miles an hour. I mean, these are some real tight turns. All right, this is the last opportunity for trucks to turn around. There is a 15-mile curve here.
I love this road for 3 reasons. The first are curves like this. I absolutely love these switchbacks. They're so much fun.
Man.
But this road on 16, in both directions, has beautiful sweeping views. You also get to go by a beautiful park and a lake, and it's just a really just perfect mountain ride. Second reason I love it is that it's close to home. This is in my backyard. It's super cool to be able to just get up in the morning and come ride it and come back and still have the entire day to ride. It's super fun.
Keep your 3 wheels down.
And the third reason that I really enjoy riding this road is the store. They have done a really good job at the back of the Dragon. The food truck in the back has delicious food. There's really cool stuff to buy inside the store, but it's also just a really neat hangout spot. So it's a great place if you just want to rest, if you're on a long trip, and get something to eat, have a drink. They have beer, they have ice cream, and just relax. They have super comfortable couches as well as tables outside. It's just really neat. And then of course you get to pose with the huge dragon out front with your bike.
All right, this is my favorite curve right here. You will see why. It just keeps going up and then up. Just make sure they stay on their lane. Do we want to stop? Take a picture. You think we should get a picture of everyone here?
I don't like
Well, that was the Back of the Dragon. By far one of my favorite roads. Super, super, super fun. And there was a visitor center, the official Back of the Dragon Center, Welcome Center. It's right up here. And they have ice cream and beer, and there's a food truck out back that has really, really, really good burgers and chicken sandwiches. Really delicious. But today is a beautiful day. We've seen a lot of bikes, and it's lunchtime, so a little bit past lunch. It should be crowded. It's just a mile up on the left. See, here we are, Back of the Dragon. Yeah, look at all these bikes. Save the spots so when they get here we can line up and take our obligatory photo.
It might just be a while though.
It might be, huh?
It's gonna be quite a while.
You think? We waited a couple of times.
Just that one time, really.
Yeah.
After we took our pictures, we waited for Melanie and Too Tall to arrive so that we could take a big group picture. We had a great time, and then we ran into some great friends inside the store. It was fun to see them before we headed out. Thanks for riding along. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already done so, please subscribe.